Hi all, welcome to a beautiful embroidery flower journey. In this video, you will witness beautiful stitches and vibrant blooms. Be sure to watch to the very end to enjoy the beauty. Prick the needle from under the fabric at the center of the circle. Go outside circle, come back halfway and take the nearer the thread and wrap around the needle. Pull back the needle with our fingers using the twist and release method. So while using this technique, we should be carefully do the things and will make the thread needles a little tight and secure at the outside part of the circle. Next we'll go for the lacy daisy outline for the bullion knot. For that I'm using a multicolor thread with rose and white. The number code will given in the screen. So I'm using the 6 strands of thread. So when we are doing the lacy daisy, we should prick the needle and thread from the downside of the fabric to go upside, make it a loop, and should come back and come back to the center of the circle, and we should keep the loop around the bullion knot, and the needle should be come from the downside of the fabric to the upside of the fabric at the end of the bullion knot, and we should tie and tuck it there. So we'll make a lacy daisy petal around the bullion knot. It will enhance the beauty of the flower. For center of the flower, we can give a French knot. For that, I'm taking 6 strands of thread from downside of the fabric, go upside, and we should wrap the thread using around the needle, and we should prick it down. For doing the stem, I'm using the straight stitch, and we'll do a couching stitch around the stem, and we'll do a lacy daisy. For that I'm making a loop, should prick the same point, make a loop, go a little front, and we should wrap around the needle with the thread, and we should pull it out. Then from there we should come back and secure the stitch. So that is a lacy daisy stitch. It's the same lacy daisy stitch I'm using for the both leaves. So if you're enjoying this video, please give me a like, share, subscribe, and give me a comment for the channel. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.